while I was waiting, I sent over two different requests for refunds for both of the charges for you. The first one did get declined. I actually sent another request out for you. I'm waiting on a response for that. And then again, I'm still waiting on management as well, okay?
Alright.
Alright, so just bear with me one more moment.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Ms. Smith, I just got a third response back from the third request I sent over for a refund, and that one was declined, but they did state that the payments that they were trying to process for you from the past 5 months, which would have been a total of $199.75, they said that they'll go ahead and waive those so that it won't be a past due balance for you, but they did say that they would not be able to issue out the refunds for the charges. The only thing that I can suggest at this point is to you can try to go through your bank. I know that with you agreeing to the terms and conditions, sometimes the bank won't approve it, but that's the best option at this point. Like I said, I did send out 3 different refund requests to management, and all 3 of them came back as declined. But they did say that for the previous months, they won't, go back and bill you for those months, and they weren't able to get the payment for the membership. But the 2 that did go through, they said they would not be able to refund those 2.
Okay, well, first I need to let you know that I have started to record this call in case I need to use it later.
Well, the call is being recorded. I do apologize. I cannot continue with this phone call. Thank you so much for calling.
Ma'am?
Fabulous.
Ma'am? Fuck you, stupid bitch. Call him back.
I'd say call your bank.
I need to make sure my account's getting canceled. The last time I called in, I told him to cancel my account.
A year ago?
The last time I had to call in. It was because the same thing happened. I got charged, and it was actually my fault. I forgot to go in and skip the month. That's why I ended up getting that one pair of shoes in April. I got 2 pairs of shoes in April, or last year, whatever fucking month it was. But one of them was because I didn't remember to go in and skip the month, so when I called to try and get a refund, I told them I wanted my account canceled.
We're sorry to keep you waiting and appreciate your patience. We know your time is valuable. Our member services team is available via phone or live chat, Monday through Friday between the hours of 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please continue to hold, and the next available voucher consultant will be right with you.
Tell them you would like a copy of the recordings. You have legal right to that. If they deny it, sue them.
Please continue to hold, and the next available voucher consultant will be right with you. continue to hold, and the next available doctor consultant will be right with you.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Can I have the phone number on your account? Okay, thank you. And who am I speaking with today? Okay, Ms. Smith, can you also verify your complete shipping address? Okay, perfect, thank you. And I also thank you for being a valued VIP member. So how can I help you today?
I was just on the phone with one of your agents, and she very rudely hung up on me. I was calling to make sure that my account gets canceled. I was told that I was not going to be able to get refunds for the 2 credits on my account that went through that were not supposed to go through. I just want to make sure that that's getting canceled, and to let you know that I am going to be going through my bank to get that refunded. It was put through on a debit card that is no longer active. Somehow you guys were able to get to my bank account and take that out. Which I'm pretty sure is fraud.
Alright.
Can you just hang up on you too?
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
It was put through on a debit card that was canceled. You guys went around that, went to my bank account to take the money out, which caused me to not have money to feed my child. Call me crazy, but food is a little bit more important than shoes.
You trying
Trying to get this account canceled.
try to do anything.
I tried to cancel it a year ago, and I talked to somebody on the phone, and I was supposed to be canceled, and it never got done. I was told that my my transactions were trying to go through for the last 5 months, and they've been declined, and that's why they went around. But this account was supposed to be canceled a long time ago.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, I really understand that, ma'am. And are you aware of the skip the month option, though?
Yes, I am. I want my account canceled. I thought I had canceled it. I have not been charged for 5 months. No, more than that. Almost a year. I have not been charged. And now all of a sudden this money has been taken out of my account?
Yes, ma'am. I can see there were attempts, but it failed, though. The placement was failed, and then I can see that it went to on February and March.
Yeah, and that was not supposed to happen. I tried to cancel my account with you guys last year. I have not been charged since April of last year. I called in fact, when I called in the last time, it was because I had forgot to skip a month. I called in trying to see if I could get a refund, and I was declined on that. I accepted that and told them I wanted my account canceled.
Okay, yes, because if we cancel this account right now, I can see that the number of credits that you have on your account, and we can use that, though. It's like $80 we're showing out here, and you can actually use those
Hold on. Can you repeat everything you just said, because I didn't understand you?
Oh, I'm really sorry, I apologize for that. Yeah, I can see that you have 2 number of credits on your account, and you can use that to purchase any shoe.
I don't want shoes. I want food for my kid.
I want the account canceled. Fucking I tried canceling it.
Yes, ma'am, I really understand that, but number of credits are non-refundable, though.
That's bullshit. Everything needs to be refundable. I can't spend money without the guarantee that I'm going to be able to get that back if I need it.
Yes.
You as a company cannot take my money and then screw me over the way that you just did and not give me that money back. I tried to cancel my account. I called in to cancel my account, and it did not happen, and you charged me anyway. That is fraud. That is against the law, and I will prosecute if I have to.
Yes, I already understand where you're coming from. Now, I'm looking on the account here. I can see that the last call made last year was last September, and you called about the billing, and I can see that the previous notes of the previous representative here, they explained the skip the month option and the VIP membership.
Yes, and in that call I asked them to cancel my account.
Actually, I couldn't see any notes here stating that you requested for the cancellation.
And it's not possible that your agents made a mistake.
He said what?
It's not possible that your agents made a mistake? Because I called and I asked to cancel. When I found out that I wasn't going to be able to get that refunded, I wanted my account canceled.
Yes, I can see that the cancellation request made here was from the call earlier.
Well, yeah, she hung up on me without letting me know whether it was going to be canceled or not. That's why I'm calling back.
Yes, I can see that the account is not yet canceled because there was no confirmation. And yes, and if...
Because she hung up on me. So once again, you guys would have charged me next month if I wouldn't have called back. I want these 2 credits refunded to my account. If you can't do it, I need to speak with the manager.
Yes, ma'am. I mean, all, like, the member credits are non-refundable. It's also stated in the terms...
You already said that. I would like to hear it from a manager. I asked to speak with a manager just half an hour ago when I called, and she never transferred me through to a manager.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Actually, I just want to give you a heads up that our manager would just say the same thing, though.
I want to hear it from your manager.
Okay, so let me see if she's available. Just stay in line and hang up. I'll be back, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. One moment. Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for patiently waiting. I actually tried to look for any manager that was available. I couldn't see that there's any